getting frustrated. It's so difficult and I don't want to break it. On their review thingy, it was so easy. They made it look so easy. So it's neither mine is a deformed one or a malfunctioned one, or maybe I'm so dumb that I can't put it up because I don't know, like my hands are like really sweaty. Or is it because I've got sausage hands? Let me just carry on delicately. I've finally done it myself without the help of my husband. So I got this too from Amazon. The delivery was very quick. So I think it took 2 or 3 days to arrive and everything was packed properly. But it's just the installation and the instruction that was a bit nah. So guys, this is what my perfume section looks like right now, or some of it. So I'm going to use that stand and try and organize it. If you're finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. If you're not already a subscriber, it really does make a huge difference to the channel, and we will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.